Well, it appears you guys are going to get another dump truck repair video. I don't know when I'll have time to get to it, but the dump truck here, she's a little bit sad. This one's a Kodiak GMC with an upside down steering wheel. Let's see if we can run her up to third. There we go. This little girl needs some love. The synchros for first and third are too dang close together. I'll grind the crap out of them things every damn time. Get out and we'll take a look at it. So now what happened was it was coming down the highway and the U-joints decided to blow out of the rear. So we pulled the drive shaft and sent it to Carolina Drive Line, and they did a bang up job. Rebuilt our drive shaft and it busted the ends out of it, so they welded new ones on. Got us all buttoned back up and stuck together, and hopefully it'll be okay. See, I like this one better than I like the Ford 650. I like this one a lot. But call it a Kodiak, it's top kick, it's all the same thing. You gotta get some tires on this thing too, those are shot. Yeah, it seemed to drive okay with that new drive shaft in it. So this has the 366 bus motor in it, and I'm assuming at some point in time maybe it had an Allison automatic in it. I really don't know, but it does not have an Allison automatic in it anymore. That's for dang sure. Could be a replacement front hood, I don't know. And then, of course, the brake module's mad at me. We'll worry about that later. Where's my bottle? There we go. All right. So I got a few more things to fix on the dump truck. I just figured we'd take a look at it for a minute. Driving it home with the new drive shaft in it, a lot quieter, a lot smoother, no more clacks and clunks. So now we're gonna get back to the cataphract.
I'm gonna go take Mama some Tylenol.
And he's gotta go take Mama some Tylenol. Tell Mama I said hey.
You wanna get that other thing out of the back? Bring it in?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I will. All right, folks. There's you another dump truck number 2 update. And we'll be back.